Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the attractions of your selected city on the Big Bus Tours application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the attractions button down below, which is the fourth option. And here you can see the attractions of your selected city. So if you're interested in any of these options, click on the relevant one. Here you can check out the interesting facts, look out for information, and you can also view it on the map by clicking on the view map button. So here you can see it. You can check out the route if you click on the view route button. So here you can see it. Feel free to check out these other options, and as you go back you can also search for other options and other attractions as well. You can see visitor information, closures, contact info, and you can check it out on the map too. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.